All right, so today we're going to look at writing polynomials. Polynomial, oops, I spelled that wrong. Polynomial equations given a double root. So we're actually going to have two double roots, so I should say given two double roots. So let's go ahead and get started. This is going to be exactly the same way we do things with our other types of roots, except for now it's a double root. So if I give you x equals 2 multiplicity 2 and x equals -1 multiplicity of 2. This here means that they're double roots, so these mean double root. If you see mult 2, multiplicity of 2, that kind of thing, that means that it happens twice. So since it happens twice, that means that we have to do the process twice in a sense. So we already have x is equal to 2 and x is equal to -1. So all we have to do is set these equal to 0 by subtracting 2 and adding 1 to both sides. And then those are our factors. But since they're multiplicity of 2, like I said earlier, it means that there's 2 of them. So since I have 2, that just means I have x minus 2 times x minus 2 and x plus 1 times x plus 1. Just means that they're doubled up. I have 2 of them. So then, since there's 2 of them, now we got to multiply both of those together and then multiply all of them together. So you kind of get a large function here. So this is my function. So we could start off looking at, let's actually multiply these together first. So we get what? X squared minus 2x plus 4. So we get x squared minus 4x plus 4. And here we get x squared plus x plus 1. Yeah. So we get x squared plus 2x plus 1. So now our function is x squared minus 4x plus 4 times x squared plus 2x plus 1, and this is our function. So you can leave it like that if the problem says to, but we want to expand it all out. So we need to multiply these two together. I'm going to use the box method because there's so many terms. You don't have to use the box method. You can use the distributive method just like I did up there, but for me this is just a little bit easier. Okay, so x squared times x squared is x to the 4th, negative 4x cubed here, 4x squared, 2x cubed, yeah, that's right. Negative 8x squared. Sometimes I second guess myself, guys. Okay. 8x, x squared, negative 4x, and 4. All of those are just going to be the same because they're multiplied by 1. So then we can do our diagonal. So we get x to the 4th, negative 2x cubed. Then we get, well, negative 8 plus 4 is negative 4 plus 1, so that's negative 3x squared. That's 4x and plus 4. Equals f of x. So you could put the equals f of x on the front. It doesn't matter exactly where you put it, whether it's in the back here, if you have it out front up here, it doesn't matter. So wherever you want to put it, it's the same idea. So that's how we do these problems, write an equation with a double root. Okay, so double root or multiplicity of 2.